I have to geek out a bit. Today I got to stand at the top of a volcano in Hawaii.
This summer,
Haleakala is divided into two districts, Kepahulu, which you can get to by driving 12 miles past the town of Hana. I covered this in another video. And the Summit District, which is where the volcano caldera is. We took a trip today. Aside from you being able to say you stood at the top of a volcano, 10,000 feet in the air at the top of a volcano. This is awesome. There are some interesting things to see. Haleakala means house of the sun, and when you get there you'll understand why. Like, you're at the top of the mountain. There's nothing else up there except for clouds and the sun. There are several species of rare plants, like the silver sword, which live there and are protected. There's an astrophysical research station nicknamed the Science City, which is one of the most sought after locations in the world for ground-based telescopes. It is co-operated by the U.S. Department of Defense, the University of Hawaii, the Smithsonian Institute, the U.S. Air Force, the FAA, along with other scientific research facilities around the world. Coupled with the fact that this is one of the world's first 9 protected ecosystems recognized by the United Nations in 1980, today we were lucky enough to make it all the way to the summit, and to actually have clear weather while we're out there. You can drive to the summit, ride a bike, hike, take a bus. If you want to go to the center of the volcano, you have to hike. It's 2,000 feet to the bottom. If you get hurt, they say it's going to take about 45 minutes for an ambulance to arrive on the site. The air is very thin. My wife was having issues breathing up there. I even had to take a break when I was up there. It was awesome though, don't get me wrong. There's also some cool things to see along the way, like a lavender farm, which we visited, a bunch of roadside cafes where you can get like banana bread, fruit, drinks, that kind of thing, and other souvenir shops where you can get like the typical souvenir things like stickers or buttons and stuff like that. They also have postcards that are carved out of wood that you can send to your friends. It's kind of cool. 10,000 feet in the air at the top of a volcano. This is awesome. This will be really cool. Definitely don't want to fall down there. time to head back down.